In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Cash App Loans feature. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. Cash App is a versatile platform offering full banking investment services, including balances, cards, peer-to-peer payments, and even investments in Bitcoin and stocks. Alongside these features, Cash App is gradually introducing a borrow feature, allowing users to take out loans. Now, let's explore how to check the requirements for the borrow feature and potentially expedite its activation. Tap on the icon in the top right corner, scroll down, and tap Support. Cash App provides prompt support through chat. Initiate a search for Borrow to access relevant information. Tap on Borrow to get detailed insights into the feature. As of now, Cash to Borrow is available to all U.S. residents. Certain factors can affect your access to the Borrow feature. State of residence. Ensure you reside in a state where the feature is available. Active Cash App card. Obtain and activate your Cash App card. Cash App usage. Regularly using Cash App may increase your chances. Direct deposit. Consider setting up direct deposits to your Cash App for faster access. Credit history. A favorable credit history improves eligibility. If you have fulfilled this criteria and still don't have the borrow feature, you can try reaching out to the Cash App support through chat. In the chat, express your eligibility for the borrow feature and await their response. Once the feature is unlocked, it will appear under more ways to add money. And that is how to unlock Cash App Loans borrow feature.